Dumelang, ke nna Setho Mokgadi and re ha Momokane village mo Botswana. So maloba ha Agritunnels e re etetse bana ba tlile go ragela this multi-span 30 by 30 greenhouse tunnel. Jaaka le bona re tladitse ntlo ya rona ka our crop of choice, which is tomato, and we're happy with the way ka ha di golang ka teng. And re ne re itse gore re batla greenhouse tunnel e nngwe yaanong ka gore re ba testile and it's going well, we called them back to help us build a second one. The last time they were here, we worked really well together, and now I expect nothing less from them. Before we got a greenhouse tunnel, we were in the open field. We moved from the open field to a shade net, and with climate change going on, Botswana's climate and weather has been really unpredictable. There have been extreme cases of rain which really affect, that really cause diseases such as funguses and stuff like that. It's been too hot. We've been getting up to like 42 degrees in the summertime, which is insane for the plants. Winter causes frost, which causes the leaves to shrivel up and things like that. So getting a greenhouse tunnel was a no-brainer for us. It protects us against all of those elements, and it's a controlled environment. When it's too hot, we just open up the curtains and allow wind circulation in, which lowers the temperatures. And if it's too cold, we just close it up, and it helps conserve the heat that's in here, and that's perfect for the plants. Where the weather is very unpredictable. Ka moso go tsididi, ka moso go na le diphego hela tse dintsi. You need to get yourself a greenhouse. It's the best thing to do. And the only place you can get it is
Agritunnels.
Our house is complete, excited to put it to the test.